Well, with people heading back to the gym, our Charles Fisher spoke to a nutritionist on ways to up your health capacity.
Keeping our immune system right is very important, especially now with COVID going on. Speaking with Brianne, Pritchard, medical nutritionist and exercise physiologist, it's a lot that goes into keeping our bodies pumping.
Making sure to have a well-rounded, well-balanced, healthy, nutritious diet works wonders for building the immune system. Also, regular exercise is huge in helping maintain and build up a good immune system to help fight all disease, but currently COVID.
So what is the best type of food to be eating at this time?
Vegetables, but specifically dark leafy greens. So if you can think spinach, kale, kind of those veggies that are going to be packed and loaded with lots of nutrients. Also, I like to tell people to try to choose a variety of vegetables, a variety of texture, and a variety of color. If you can think of texture and color representing different vitamins and minerals, the more the better. So the more different colors you can have in your meals and the more different textures you can have in your vegetables, the better. Fruits are also a huge part in building the immune system or helping support the immune system. So some of the best ones are going to be the ones that are full of antioxidants, and some of the most popular ones are going to be berries. So blueberries, strawberries, those would be really, really great to add into the diet as well.
With all that, how much should we be eating on a daily basis?
It depends on the individual. Everyone has different nutritional needs. So it's hard to give one general amount, but trying to kind of structure your day so that you're having 3 main meals, a breakfast, a lunch, a dinner. Of course, appropriate size is important. And then having a few snacks throughout the day as well. Those snacks being healthy and nutritious snacks that are going to help keep you healthy and help fight disease at this time.
And I guess diets are hard to stick to as well.
Diets in general, if we're talking about a general diet or if we're, going on a specific diet at this time, it does pose a challenge. We were kind of getting back to work and resuming normal life, but maybe during this COVID time where we've all had time to kind of just be home and snack throughout the day, it's hard to get back on track, but really trying to stick with a normal eating routine, a normal eating schedule. We just kind of have to revisit what the new normal is.
So can COVID be transmitted in the preparation of food?
There are so many studies out there now talking about how COVID can and can't be transmitted. If you're taking all of the precautions to prepare the food in the correct ways, sanitizing before, making sure to stay sanitary throughout the cooking process, cooking the food thoroughly. Studies have shown that COVID is killed by high temperature and sanitizing properly. So by preparing the food, if it's done correctly, COVID should not be transmitted in that way.
Now that the gyms are open, is there a rush to get back?
Even if you're not comfortable going out or going back into the gyms at this point, just making sure to do some physical activity for 20 to 30 minutes a day. That's all it really takes to help keep the immune system up and staying healthy. If people have taken the past few months off of exercise and the gyms are opening and people are going to jump back in general, exercise is good to start getting back into. But if you are planning on picking up where you were 3 months ago without having done anything in between, my advice is to take it slow, ease yourself back into it, because the last thing you want is to end up with an injury on your first day of getting back to exercise and then prolong you getting active. So taking it easy, easing your way in, and doing something that you can maintain for the long run.
Some good points. For the Morning Edition, I'm Charles Fisher.